Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Benny for short. If you are new on my channel or this is your first time of seeing this video, thank you for watching this video, and don't go just like that. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and click on the bell to also get notified to also get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are old and you are coming back to watch this video, thank you so much. I love you. Know that I love you, and I thank you for joining this family. That's a kiss from me to you. Yeah, so thank you so much. Today, let me relax. So today I'm going to prepare the quickest and fastest meal that I think you can ever prepare for your toddler. Yeah, and it's called mashed kenkey. I know my people, my Ghanaians, know what mashed kenkey is, and some people are wondering what is this girl talking about? I don't know. Yeah, so mashed kenkey is simply a kenkey that is mashed, and we've shortened it to be mashed kenkey. So you get me? Yes. So I know people will be asking me, where can I get this kenkey from? I know you can get some from Ghana. That's my country. And if you have a local supermarket or a local store or something in your country, you can ask them you want kenkey. And we have two types of kenkey. We have the kenkey. That is, I don't know how to explain myself, but I can't go into history right now. No, you can go to your local store or something in your country or your city and ask them you want a FANTE kenkey or you want a kenkey. But I prefer using a FANTE kenkey. Yeah. So like I said, it's the quickest and easiest meal you can ever prepare. You can prepare this meal when you are busy or when you don't have time to cook an actual meal for her. It can be eaten as a lunch or a snack. Yeah, so I'm going to prepare this for her today. I prepared it for her yesterday and she really liked it. It's been a long time I prepared it for her, so she had everything. And so today I'm going to prepare another one. I did a video on it actually, but it was all over the place, so I guess I had to do another one today. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing a new video today, just to explain it for those who do not know what it is, to know what it is actually is. Yes, so yeah, so the ingredients I use for this food is easy. It has only 3 ingredients. Yes, just three ingredients that you need in making this meal. Yeah, so it's not something that is so difficult. If you know how to cook, I'm sure you will know how to prepare it. Yes, you just have to get a blender and you're good to go. And the green ingredients that I'm talking about, you're good to get. Actually, this food can be eaten by both elderly and young ones as well. Yeah, it can be eaten by both. We, the elderly people, mash the kenkey. We add a little bit of salt. Please tell me why we use a little bit of salt in our kenkey. Like, I don't get it, because sometimes I feel like there is salt already in the kenkey, but some people use a little bit of salt and sugar and then groundnut, that's peanut, and then milk. Is how the elderly people eat it. Yes. Yeah, so kenkey is a weight booster for kids, and it's made out from corn, so it's very, very good. And yeah, so you can prepare this meal for your kid when she, you feel like you want to boost her weight. Yeah, so I think I'm talking too much. Let's get just right into the video. Don't go anywhere. Stick like a glue. To prepare your daughter's food, you have to wash your hands with soap and running water. Yes, so this is what I am doing. Okay. Yeah, so these are my ingredients. This is the main ingredient. Yeah, KENKEY. I used half yesterday and it's left with half inside. So this is the FANTE KENKEY I'm talking about. Yeah, so you need 1 KENKEY. So you can check if your daughter is allergic to peanut or groundnut before you can use the peanuts for her. But my daughter is not allergic to peanuts, so I'm going to use the peanut butter for her. And it says with honey. I believe that kids under 1 year cannot take honey. You can either take a date syrup. Yeah, so if your child is not above 1 year old, I think honey is not good for her. Yeah, so you can also Google and verify. Yeah, but that's what I know. Yeah, so but since she is 1 year getting to 2 years, I think I can use it for her. Yeah, some does not come with honey, so you can buy that one without honey, but this comes with honey and it's so tasty. And I've got here my prebiotic yogurt. This is strawberry flavored. We have so many flavors. We have the vanilla, the banana, but yesterday I used the vanilla for her. It was so tasty, so I'm going to try strawberry flavor today for her. So these are my 3 main ingredients that I am going to use in making this meal. Yes, so I have my KENKEY here. I am washing it with water because I have removed the leaf from it. So I have my blender here. I'm going to cut my KENKEY into my desired size, put it in, and add my peanut with the prebiotic yogurt. Yeah, so I have all my ingredients in the blender. Of course, you have to get a little bit of water. I'm using a sachet water for this. Yeah, so it can really blend well. So these are all the ingredients. I'm going to blend them and see how it goes. So our mashed KENKEY is ready. I'm gonna pour it in her bowl. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the easiest meal or lunch, or let's say snack you can ever do when you are tired, or let's say you don't have anything at home and you're thinking of what you want to do for her and you have your KENKEY right here. You can do that. Yes, you can do that for her, and it's a waist booster as well. So girl, why not? And it's very good for kids. So if you like that, just do this food and everything will be fine. So thank you for watching this video and see you in my next one. Bye.